The journey inside the kidney. Username loved to learn about the human body. One day, while reading about the kidneys, they wondered what it would be like to see them up close. Username held up their magical magnifying glass, which had a special power. It could shrink things down to a tiny size. With a flash of light, Username felt themselves getting smaller and smaller until they were no bigger than a grain of sand. They floated gently down, landing in a vast reddish-brown landscape. "Wow," Username whispered, "I'm inside a kidney." A friendly, tube-like character with a big smile floated towards them. "Hello there," the character said. "My name is Nephi, and I'm a nephron. I'm the main worker here in the kidney. We filter the blood to make sure everything is just right." "This outer part of the kidney is called the cortex," Nephi explained, pointing to the area around them. "It's where the blood first arrives to be cleaned. Think of it like the kidney's busy reception area. And deeper inside, we have the medulla, which is full of collecting ducts," Nephi continued, moving them forward. "All the clean blood and waste products travel through here, on their way to the renal pelvis, the funnel that collects the final urine. Now, let's get to the most important part. Me," Nephi said proudly. "Blood enters my little cup, the Bowman's capsule, and passes through a tangle of tiny blood vessels called the glomerulus. Here, water and small molecules are filtered out, leaving the big stuff behind. Next, the filtered fluid travels down my long winding tubule," Nephi explained. "This is where we do a lot of work. We reabsorb all the good things the body needs, like glucose, amino acids, and most of the water, and send them back into the bloodstream. And finally, we have secretion," Nephi said, pointing to the end of the tubule. "This is where we add any extra waste products or toxins from the blood into the tubule, just to make sure everything is perfectly clean before it leaves." "Thank you, Nephi," Username said. "I never knew the kidney was so amazing and worked so hard." With a final wave, Username prepared to use their magnifying glass to return home, full of new knowledge. Back in their room, Username looked at the diagram of the kidney in their book. Now, it wasn't just a picture, it was a map of a fantastic journey, full of hard-working nephrons like Nephi, keeping